He's an absolute beast. I mean, look at the face though. Let me put it down. Let me put it down. What if I built something like that over here? But different. Let me explain. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, we got some big news. It's also like a home vlog, so I hope you enjoy. Look at them chilling on the bank. All the turtles are like hiding up in these. You can see this snapping turtle's on top of the other snapping turtle. Other one's under there. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Woo, he looks mean. And then, as you know, our African side neck's in there. I wish these trees were doing better, but I guess I really should have put like soil underneath. Probably would have been much smarter. Albinos are in here while this is filling up. In this pond, we've ran into an issue. Not like the pond issue, but a little issue in my brain. I didn't really think of it, but if you look closely, look at the sand. See how it's becoming green? That isn't as good looking as it is when it's white. So now I'm second guessing the whole fact that I want to do the whole bottom green. And I say green because the sand's just gonna turn green. So I don't know. Still trying to think. It's a work in progress. How'd you get so dirty? But yeah, I don't want it to look like that. I might need to buy like what I initially was gonna do is a full cover that slides out. It's just very expensive. I haven't bothered filling it up because I didn't know what I was gonna do with the substrate, but I'm gonna fill it up today just until we figure that all out. Out here, where's Mama Duck? She was walking around with her babies. She's back in the enclosure. Mama Duck walks around here with all the baby ducklings. And there's the ducklings, look how big they got. They're huge now. And it's really cool to see the ducklings stick around because they're actually gonna consistently come back like a Kevin, like a wild duck, but they're gonna come back. Look at this one over here. Hey, buddy. What are you doing over here? They're looking for food, and look at this. Dried out, dried out. It's hot, it's the morning, and it's time to do mud pits, water bowls, food, everything today. I've been cleaning the turtle enclosures, now to feeding Gary. They know the gist of it. Our Mallard's doing good, by the way. Look at her jolting back and forth. She's doing good. All right. I'll do a couple of these. That should do for the ducks. Now we'll feed the goats and pigs. This pig food just looks tasty. With grain and corn mix, you spoil the rotten piggies. Hey turkey, I don't know why you're always out. It's like deja vu every time I feed with you. All right. I mean, she does literally the exact thing every time. One turkey's out, one's in. That turkey doesn't know how to get in. I open the gate, walks in. Every time. Hello, goats. How y'all doing? Let me put it down. Let me put it down. Look at them. Crazy. Oh, great chicken. She's always running around. But yeah, these guys are just absolutely nuts. Little baby, you gotta get in the mix. I got some pig food here. Woo-wee. That is hot dirt, hot dirt. Hey, what up, big girl? You think if I left you at the farm for a week, you'd know how to feed and do everything? Just from watching all the videos? Let me know. I might need someone to watch the farm. Here you go, bud. Over here. Let's feed him. Hello, everyone. When I forget the water is on overnight, this is what it looks like, but it's kind of cool because there's like islands. Ow, I just stepped on something very, very sharp. Look at you. Like what? You're a fully extended, like a human. Oh my gosh, she's getting huge. There you go. Guinea, and he's eating away in there. I got him some food, he's got his water bowl. But they always hang out with each other. I'm just keeping this other guinea hen in here because he keeps going to the neighbor's house. And one of the suggestions were to just keep him in that cage for 2 weeks and see if he stays after I let him out. But yeah, he's chilling in there now. And they always hang out with each other. Oh yeah? Y'all are really talkative today. Oh my God, Boots is jumping. Oh! Oh! Now I let this fill up and just keep on filling up, because once I fill this up, it's gonna drain off this corner and go into the mud pit. So let it run. Back inside here, we're at the saltwater tank that they are working on right now. As you know, once a week they come over to the house. By they, I mean either Chris, John, or Tommy, one of the three. John and Chris are here right now. These corals are just absolutely thriving. So they're doing their, you know, water test, whatever they come and do to maintain the tank. I just filled up, which we still need to clean the glass and clean the substrate, but I just filled up the flower horn tank, filled up the cichlid tank, filled up this tank. But yep, Chris is doing his thing over here. And then this will be fully clean. As you know, it's a lot of work to keep up on a tank this big, saltwater, at least doing it the right way. Arrow crab from our last video, or one of our last videos at least, sitting right there. He didn't like that little water splash, but there we go. And we are filling back up. Hey, bud! Oliver, what's up? Focus camera, there we go. What's going on, buddy? He's just waking up. He's like, oh my goodness. But look at this cage though. Like, wow. Taylor really snapped on this. He's got like his little padded area with his little bell, little hammock. He likes to poop in that back corner there. And then down here, he likes to poop in that corner too. Little low on litter, but this is his litter down here. You are just a little cutest, buddy. He's just waking up. You're gonna probably look at him and be like, ferrets need companion, they need a friend, they need another ferret with them. And Oliver, we've tried. My mom has a ferret as well. Her name is Flower. We've tried. Initially wanted Flower to live with Oliver, but yeah, it just didn't work. He likes to be alone. And we take him out 24/7, pretty much all day, every single day. He's running around the house. He has holes in all the couches. Under every single couch see the hole right there? He made that hole. And I don't even want to show you this couch out here. My house is just full of animals, so this blanket's covering a massive hole in the couch that the dogs chewed. Yeah, that's great. Holes. Look at all this stuff coming out from the bottom of the couch. Just holes everywhere. That's exactly what you're doing, Oliver. You're sleeping in the couch. Look at that face, though. I mean, oh, it does not get any cuter. It just really doesn't. I thought today was just the perfect day to kind of, you know, have a house vlog. I do these every once in a while just to catch everyone up. And I wanted to show Oliver because I don't really film him too often. Right, buddy? But he's always out. Just because I don't film him doesn't mean he's not around. He's running around the house 24/7. All right, he's gonna make me get him. So he's an absolute beast. I mean, look at the face though. He's so cute. When it comes to ferrets, a lot of people say, golly, they just smell so bad. How do you have a ferret? Listen, this is my guest room, and he really doesn't smell. If anything, he smells more than the enclosure, like the poop and pee and stuff like that. My mom's, on the other hand, stinks. So there's probably a difference between males and females. I don't know, but hers smells a lot more worse than Oliver here. You smell the mic? Yeah, he wants to smell the mic. Bye, Oliver. So this is really just an at-home day. The tanks are clean. All of them are filled up. The animals got fresh water, hay, food. Everyone's happy. As a matter of fact, the turtle tubs are cleaned, filled up, they're fed. The pond filled up, fed, but listen, what I've made this entire video for, I got some plans, and these are big plans. Here's what I want to do. Now, you give me your opinion on this. Let me know what you think. Oh my, blinded by light. This is just a super, super cool project, right? We had a blast making it. Now, although it was like $20,000 to do, it was not cheap. It was so much fun. My channel did well because we were pumping out banger videos on this, and it's super cool to have at the house. This house, I don't think I'll honestly ever sell. Whether 5-10 years from now I even live here, I'll never get rid of it just because it is memories. Every inch of this property has a memory filmed here. I don't see how I can ever sell that. So with that being said, me putting giant things on the back patio like this, who cares? It ain't like I'm selling it. So I could do anything to the property. No one's gonna come and look at the house to buy it and be like, I don't want that giant thing on the patio. So this is where the old pool pond was. And I don't ever stop. I have something in my brain that just tells me I need to do something here. I was gonna initially do like a little L-shaped couch with a bench and carpet and an outdoor little seating area. Will I ever sit there? Probably absolutely not. So, you got me thinking, what if, oh, so many what ifs in my life. What if I built something like that over here, but different. Maybe this time for turtles. let me explain. My computer's purple, I don't know why, but go to YouTube. Turtle. Enter. Now, I don't know why my computer's pink, but I won't be here for long. I just want to show you something. To give you an example now, there's a bunch of different videos, but like something like this, I've never even watched this video. I just want to give you an idea. Like that. See that? What if we did that in a massive form? You're on the drawing board. Here we go. That is a phenomenal square. Absolutely horrible, as a matter of fact. That right there is that right there. So where I have the word house is the back side. Make sense? Cool. Yep. Yeah. I messed up. I messed up. Let's make it a bit bigger this time. All right. Partially up. That way. And all that back side. That is all bank. That's sand. Mulch, grass, whatever we do up there, landscape, that's landscape. Now underneath all of this is still water. This is like an edge. It has a post similar to a dock holding it up. And it would be connected to the wall here, so you wouldn't need a post. I don't even think you need those posts, but the turtles would be able to go under this. So the bank would be like over the edge. I'm telling you, I took this real seriously, and I'm kind of coming up with this as we do this. Over here, this right here is connected to the ground, the bottom of the pond, and this is similar to the turtle tubs where they get up onto the bank. That right there, that is that right there. See the ridges so the turtles can climb up. So it's squared right here, not up to the wall here, but that is all bank. And the reason for that is because they have some shaded bank, but yet see this, how it's sunny, they can get some sun. Can you just plants, some more plants, some more plants, lots of plants. So what do you think? You like my artwork? I think this could be a very cool project. Couple parts to it. Hector comes back, we start pouring concrete. It's just like the other one, but for the turtles. I think this could be a really, really cool idea. And I think if we did it right, it would be one of the coolest things on YouTube. Your boy Paulie, see, holy loud, that was loud. Your boy Paul, don't do anything small. That rhymed. Your boy Paul doesn't do anything small. We're making this big, and I think if we did it the right way, like I said it before, it would be crazy. So that's the way it would be right there. Something just like that. Although I completely destroyed this art. I don't know. I made this video in specific to get y'all's opinion on that project. What do you think? I love communicating with you guys. Comment down below, go to my Instagram, blow me up there. And most importantly, if you think it's a good idea, smash the like button. If this now, I think we should go high here because we really want to make sure this is all worth it, because this is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of work. Smash the like button if this video gets 50,000 likes. 50,000 likes, the moment it hits 50K, I will get straight to work on making this happen. As you know, the last one took a couple weeks in progress. I don't have wood and stuff now, and lumber prices with straight through the roof. So, and this project here, I actually told y'all pretty much everything, what everything costed, where I got it all. This was an awesome project. We had so much fun, and it's one of the coolest things at my house. So imagine this being right here, and then another one being over there. And to be honest, we can even do another one. We're going crazy. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss this when it happens, because I know y'all are gonna just absolutely destroy that like button. There could be a turtle pond right here, and it's just something I got in my brain, and it could become a reality very shortly. I just wanted to give you a little nice teaser of what my thoughts were doing in my head. I think that would be super cool. Look how filled up it is. It's crazy. It looks like a legit pond now. They're getting big too. This algae is super bad. I gotta get like a pump that's stronger, not just a hose. The bank is just insanely deep. Like it just drops straight off right there. Oh my goodness. And then all this is a bank. What? I think these lily pads legitimately are on steroids. I've never seen them that big. Let me just give you an example here. Look at the size of that lily pad. And if you look real closely, like I mentioned before, there's just a bunch of baby tilapia. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's just thousands of tilapia. This has got to be another one of my favorite projects that we've done out here. And the coolest part is about everything is, think about 10 years from now. When I go on my YouTube channel, I got a family of my own. Y'all Cuffaros are probably, if YouTube don't go anywhere, I'm still gonna be making videos, I promise you that. And I look back at myself standing right here at this very moment with 2 cows, a pond, and this crazy life we live. Together, we live it together, literally. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was a at-home vlog, nothing crazy, just some plans that I got. And I know y'all Cuffaros love every once in a while to just hang out, talk, and have an at-home vlog. It's just part of the channel. We always do it, and I'm always gonna continue to do it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and let me know what your thoughts are about that turtle project over there. And if you don't think we should do turtle project, let me know what we should do. Maybe make like a stingray pond, or there's so many different options. We got space, let's use it wisely. Without further ado, see you in the next one. Peace out. Let me. Yep. Yeah. I messed up. All right. One more time.